brisket. I got my barbecue.
Welcome to BarbecuePitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some bacon and whiskey chili at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, this is straight from Hansy's Pit, somewhere up around Lake Simcoe, Ontario, Canada. And this is going to be good. All right, for this recipe, you're going to need some maple syrup. Here we've got some corn, got some baked beans, we've got some chickpeas, kidney beans, we got some Roma tomatoes, we got chipotle and adobo sauce. Here we've got some tomato paste, we've got some whiskey. All right, got some olive oil. Here we've got some bacon, we got some mushrooms, we got some onion, and some ground venison. All right, let's prepare this meal, all right? Woo! This is an awesome recipe if you've never done it. So chop up some mushrooms. Here we've got some bacon, chop it up. We got some onion. And let's get this going. All right, we're gonna sear up some onion and the mushrooms first. All right, cook them down just a little bit. Get some of that campfire flavor on them veggies. Now, Hansy here is using venison, right? And you can use ground beef or ground pork, what you like, but seeing how we've got some venison, we're going to use venison. Now, we're going to hit it with a little bit of secret sauce, Pitmaster Privilege. That's a little bit of that hard apple cider. All right. Now, from our Canadian friends, sometimes you just give it a shot of that maple syrup. It's all about the maples up there in Canada, right? And of course, this here is Pitmaster Privilege. We'll bless the pot with a little bit of that whiskey. Here, Hansy's got some ground venison, all right? This is deer meat. It's extremely lean, right? So we'll coat a little bit of oil on the outside, and he wants to give it a nice sear, both sides. Again, get some of that campfire flavor. All right? Now, he's not cooking it all the way through, of course. Just want to sear it. Get that flavor. And he's going to break it down into the pot. Now, there's nothing like a pot of chili, man, when you're out on the trail, right? Oh, man, this is good living. Can you smell that? It smells good. All right, add a little heat to the meat, of course. That's adobo chilies, right? And adobo sauce. Pretty hot. In goes the tomatoes. You know how to make chili, right? But, if you haven't before, definitely check this recipe out. It's really good. Now, since it's a protein meal, keep you charged up during the day. Throw in some kidney beans. Here we're throwing in some chickpeas. A little bit of corn to keep things moving. Here we've got some baked beans. Pretty much everything you had in the cupboard before you left the camp, right? Yeah. I'm telling you, this is good living. Got to check it out. Now this is where you add the tomato paste to richen it up, to thicken it up. And we got some bit of SPG going in. Pitmaster Privilege right there. A little bit of salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of flavor, right? All right. And of course, it doesn't take long. Just bring everything up to temp, right? Might 20 minutes. And in the miracle of time, this Hansy's Pit chili is done. Now, this is the part that the Pitmaster is going to eat in front of you. Whether it's raining or not, this is Pitmaster Privilege. Now, if you can, give us a thumbs up, follow us, subscribe to us, head over to our website to get the exact ingredients. We appreciate your support. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BarbecuePitBoys.com.